10 practical tips for writing Sora 2 prompts. Start with the final frame. Describe one clear shot: composition, main subject, facial expression, lighting. This anchors the entire video. Build your prompt in layers. Line 1, setting and visual style. Line 2, the action and timing. Line 3, sound, dialogue, or effects. Sora understands layered structure better. Be specific about the camera. State the distance, the movement, and the duration of the shot. This gives you clean, controlled visuals. Keep dialogue short and separate. Place all dialogue in a block under the description. Use short, natural lines. This improves lip sync and gestures. Lock your character with references. If you need a consistent character, give a reference image or clear traits: age, height, hairstyle, posture. This reduces variation between shots. One prompt, one action. Each prompt should contain only one movement or story beat. For complex scenes, break your idea into short, shot-by-shot prompts. Use negative prompts directly. Write what you do not want: extra characters, text on screen, distorted hands, cartoon style. This removes common generation errors. Be precise with lighting and style. For example, golden hour, soft backlight, cinematic 50mm lens, shallow depth of field. Specifics always work better than vague adjectives. Iterate and compare. Run several versions with small changes and compare results. Fix exactly the part that failed. Iteration is the fastest way to improve quality. And control aspect ratio and duration. State the length of the video and the format: vertical, horizontal, or square. Sora performs differently depending on the layout, so define it clearly.